All right, welcome everyone. Today we're taking a deep dive into YouTube.
Yeah, that's right.
Success secrets. We've got this document.
Mm-hmm.
It's called 02 Melo. Cómo hacer videos para YouTube. Así lo hice para ganar 50K subscriptors.txt.
Okay.
And this creator took their channel to 50,000 subscribers.
Wow.
So we're going to unpack their journey
All right.
from, how they get ideas to
Yeah.
all the optimization stuff.
Cool.
So first up, they actually had four main ways to get ideas for videos.
Okay.
The first one is, and maybe this is obvious,
Yeah.
they really pay attention to their audience.
Ah, that makes sense.
But it's more than just
Yeah.
looking at comments.
Right.
They really see the feedback as
Mm-hmm.
a source of treasure.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
I do.
They want to figure out what their audience needs.
What they're struggling with.
Exactly. What are they craving? What do they want to see more of?
It's like having a direct line to the people you're trying to reach.
So you're not just guessing anymore.
Right.
It's like you're building
Mm-hmm.
with the audience already there.
That's smart.
But it's not just about the audience.
Oh, okay.
This creator also uses
What is it?
Google searches,
Oh, interesting.
but not just browsing around.
Yeah, right.
Really targeted
Uh-huh.
searches.
Gotcha.
They look for questions people are asking
Okay.
and popular keywords
Keywords is...
in their niche, right?
Right.
So growing on YouTube,
Yeah, makes sense.
video editing,
Okay,
create stuff,
I want to stop.
monetization, all that jazz.
So it's like they're using data
Yes,
to decide what to create.
to find out what people are really looking for,
Oh, okay. I do.
And this is where it gets cool.
Oh, tell me more.
They actually pay attention to trends,
Okay.
especially the ones in their niche.
So, what are we talking about here?
And we all know what's
Yeah.
been super hot.
I think I know what you're going to
And
say.
AI.
Yep, there it is.
Right.
Right.
But they're not just
Just jumping on the bandwagon.
exactly.
Yeah.
They're really finding clever ways
Mhm.
to use AI
Yeah.
in their content.
Okay.
So remember earlier this year,
Mm-hmm.
the YouTube Shorts thing,
Boom. Yes.
they made videos about shorts,
Oh, interesting.
but using AI tools
Oh, I see.
to generate them.
Oh, yeah.
That's a great example
That is a good example.
of combining what's hot
Yeah,
with what your channel's about
totally.
to make something timely and relevant.
It's like striking while the iron's hot.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And the last way
Hmm.
that they get ideas
Okay.
is they look at their competitors,
Ah, competitor analysis.
but not to copy,
Right.
but to understand
Gotcha.
what's working,
Yeah.
what are the patterns,
Like popular themes,
I've heard
approaches.
that kind of stuff.
Makes sense.
So it's kind of like
Yeah.
market research.
It is.
You're looking for those gaps
Mm-hmm.
where you can add something new,
I like it.
but in your own way.
Okay, so we've got 4 ways to get ideas.
Yeah?
Audience feedback,
Mm-hmm.
Google searches.
Yep.
Trend spotting,
Friend spotting. Exactly.
and competitor analysis.
I'm curious, what resonates with you the most?
Out of those 4,
Yeah. Think about it.
I'm going to have to think about that.
How could you use these for
Yeah.
your own interests?
That's a good question.
But even with a great idea,
Mm-hmm.
this creator never skips one thing:
Oh, what's that?
validation.
Validation.
They don't just jump into making the video.
Really?
No, they really take time
Interesting.
to make sure the idea is good.
So it's like before you build a house,
Exactly.
you got to check the foundation.
Yes. Make sure the idea's got a solid base
Okay.
before you spend all the time and energy.
Maybe in the video.
So how do they do that?
Well, a couple ways. Okay.
First, they actually go back to YouTube searches.
Oh, interesting.
But this time, it's to see what's already out there.
So they're checking the landscape.
Yeah. Is
Yeah.
it oversaturated?
Mhm.
Is there room for something new?
Yeah.
They also use tools.
Tools.
Yeah, like vidIQ
I've heard of that one.
for keyword research.
To see if people are searching for that stuff.
Exactly. Are people actually interested in this
Mm.
topic?
Yeah.
And they're honest. Sometimes they'll shelve an idea completely.
Really?
Yeah. If the research shows too much competition
Right.
or not enough interest.
So they're prioritizing
Yeah.
the ideas with the most potential.
That's right.
I like that.
Think about it.
Mm-hmm.
Have you ever put your heart and soul into something,
Oh, yeah.
only to realize
Ugh.
it was the wrong path?
It's the worst.
This validation step
Yeah,
can help you avoid that.
that's really good advice.
It's all about working smarter,
Right.
not hard.
Totally.
All right, so you've got your idea.
Okay.
You validated it.
It's a good one.
Now it's time to bring it to life.
I love this part.
This creator really focuses on 3 things:
3 things.
title, thumbnail,
Okay.
and the script.
The script.
These are like the core elements
Yeah, they are.
of a good YouTube video.
The building blocks.
They all work together
Yeah.
to get attention,
Right.
set those expectations, and really deliver.
Deliver on the promise of the content.
Yes, the title is super important.
It is.
They actually see it
Yeah.
as the
Oh, this
video's
one's
mini
cool.
sales pitch.
Oh, that's interesting.
So to make sure it's good,
Mm-hmm.
they come up with three
3.
different titles
Okay.
and choose the best one.
So they're giving themselves options.
Exactly.
That's smart.
The thumbnail is like a
Yeah.
mini movie poster.
It is.
It's visual.
Uh-huh.
It's got to grab attention.
Yeah, make you want to click.
And then the script, depending on the video,
Yeah.
they might write it all out
Mm.
or just have an outline.
Yeah.
But here's the thing.
What is it?
Those first 30 to 40 seconds are
Right.
crucial.
Why?
That's your chance to hook the viewer,
Right.
keep them from clicking away.
So, like setting the tone,
Yes.
introducing the topic,
Introducing the topic. Exactly.
making a good first impression.
They even talk about using
Yeah.
trailer-style intros.
Like movie trailers.
Yeah.
Cool.
You know how those trailers
Yeah.
highlight the best parts?
Yeah, they do.
They do the same thing
Oh, that's smart.
for their videos.
I see.
So right away,
Hmm.
you see the value of
Right.
watching.
Sense.
Think about your favorite YouTube videos.
Okay.
What draws you in?
Yeah. What is it?
Is it the title,
Yeah.
the thumbnail,
The thumbnail.
or that intro?
Mm.
They're all crafted
Yeah.
to grab your attention
It's true.
and make you want to learn more.
They're deliberate.
They are.
It's not random.
So we've covered ideas,
Yeah.
validation,
Uh-huh.
and making that content compelling.
It's a lot.
But the journey
Mm-hmm.
doesn't stop there.
Oh, I can't wait to hear more.
Next up,
Yes.
we'll dive into production
Okay.
and collaboration,
Sounds good.
where this creator reveals
Ooh.
some surprising insights.
I'm intrigued. So this creator, they're not like a one-man band, you know.
You're right, they actually team up
Oh, yeah.
with an editor.
Oh,
And
interesting.
it seems like that's made a huge difference.
Collaboration is key.
They admit, hey, I'm not an editing expert.
Makes sense. Focus on your strengths.
So they partner with someone
Mm-hmm.
who's got those skills.
Yeah, leverage each other's talents.
This lets them focus on
Or what?
what they're good at,
Okay.
like coming up with ideas,
Right.
connecting with the audience on camera,
That face-to-face stuff.
and they leave all the technical editing stuff
Yeah, the nitty-gritty.
to the prop.
Makes sense.
But it's not just like,
Yeah.
here's the footage, do your thing.
No.
No, they're really involved
Oh, so they're hands-on.
in shaping the final video.
I look at
They actually put detailed notes
notes.
right in the script
I'm kind of notes.
about the shots they want,
Oh, okay.
any screen recordings.
So it's like a visual guide for the editor.
Exactly. Everyone's on the same page from the start.
Less back and forth.
Less confusion.
Yeah, smoother workflow.
Makes things so much easier.
And they even share their setup.
Oh, yeah.
They record straight into Filmora with a
Wow.
pro camera and microphone.
No skimping on quality.
It makes a difference.
It shows they came about the viewer's experience.
Absolutely. You don't want grainy footage.
Or bad audio.
It's about respecting your audience.
And giving them something polished.
They deserve it.
So they even have specific editing tips
Like what?
for the editor.
Oh, wow. They really are hands-on.
They're big on using text on screen.
Text on screen. Why?
It helps keep people watching.
Oh, that's interesting.
And I agree.
Yeah.
It just makes things more interesting visually.
Right.
It emphasizes those key points.
Yeah.
It's like, stylish subtitles.
I like it.
They also want the editing to be dynamic,
Dynamic. What do you mean?
switching shots every few seconds.
Okay, keep things moving.
You don't want people getting bored.
Yeah, nobody wants to stare at a talking head forever.
They use B-roll footage,
B-roll, yeah.
screen recordings,
Nice.
even animations sometimes.
It's all about visual variety.
It makes a huge difference.
For sure.
They're also really smart about audio.
Audio, okay.
They use sound effects and music.
To create a certain mood.
Yeah, enhance the experience.
It's like setting the tone.
The right music can really transform a video.
It can.
They get it,
They do.
YouTube is more than just talking.
Yeah, it's multisensory.
You've got to think about the visuals and the
It's a whole
sound.
experience.
Okay, now let's talk about
What is it?
the YouTube algorithm.
That mysterious beast.
It's like this hidden force
Yeah.
that decides who sees your content.
Makes creators nervous.
So how does this creator deal with it?
Tell me.
They're strategic, of course.
Okay.
You can't control the algorithm,
Right.
but you can optimize your stuff.
Yeah. give it a helping hand.
So it's not enough to just make great content.
No,
You got to make sure people can find it.
that's crucial.
Keywords are key.
The keywords, right?
You use them everywhere.
Everywhere.
Title, description, tags.
I know it's shy.
It's like
Yeah.
putting up signposts.
I like that analogy.
So the algorithm knows what your video is about.
Yeah. And who might be interested?
And they're consistent, too.
Consistent. Okay.
They use the same keywords.
Across different videos?
It's across multiple videos.
Oh, smart.
Especially the ones that lots of people are searching for.
So they're establishing themselves as an expert.
They are. And that can help with rankings.
The rankings are everything.
Then there's metadata.
Metadata.
Things like your file name,
Uh-huh.
the thumbnail image.
Oh, okay.
All that stuff needs to be consistent
Consistent with what?
with your video's topic.
And include those keywords.
Yes, you're sending a clear message to the algorithm.
A unified message.
Don't forget about video settings.
Video settings, people overlook those.
They do.
But they're important.
This creator is very careful
Oh,
about choosing the right audience.
right.
Marking if it's not for kids.
Important distinction.
Labeling collaboration.
Especially the paid ones.
So the video reaches the right people.
And follows YouTube's rules.
Exactly. It's about being transparent.
Transparency is key.
They also talk about scheduling.
Scheduling, okay.
They upload in advance.
And pick the best time to release it.
Yeah, like when their audience is most active.
Maximize those views.
Makes sense, right?
Perfect sense.
They also believe in giving their videos space.
Space? Like, what do you mean?
Like, they won't release a new one until the previous one
Mm.
has had a chance to gain some traction.
It's like each video gets its moment to shine.
They don't want to cannibalize their own views.
Makes sense. So it's not all about the algorithm.
No, it's not just about the tech stuff.
What else is there?
This creator is really big on community.
Community. Okay.
They see their viewers
Yeah.
as partners.
Partners.
Yeah, not just passive viewers.
That's a good way to put it.
They want people to comment,
Ask questions.
share their thoughts,
So it's like a two-way street.
and they try to respond
Respond
to comments.
as much as possible.
That's impressive.
It builds loyalty. It
Yeah.
makes people feel seen.
Like they're part of something.
They also use those video descriptions
Okay.
to connect with people.
On a deeper level,
Yeah, they'll include links
links to what?
to their social media.
Oh, to expand their reach?
Build that multi-platform presence,
That's smart.
and they introduce themselves.
In the description,
Yeah, they talk about their channel's purpose. Oh, so you get a sense of who they are.
it's all about transparency.
Yeah, authenticity.
People want to know the person behind the videos.
It builds trust.
They get it, you know?
I think they do.
YouTube's not just about uploading.
No.
It's about connecting.
Yeah, building relationships.
So we've talked about finding ideas,
Mm-hmm.
validating them.
Yep.
Making that content awesome.
Right.
Navigating the algorithm
Uh-huh.
and building a community.
That's a lot to cover.
But there's one more thing.
Oh, there's more. I'm hooked.
Their mindset.
Mindset. Okay, this should be good. It's all about what's going on up here.
It is. It's just as important as all those strategies.
Maybe even more.
So what's their secret sauce,
Yeah.
mindset-wise?
Well, they really highlight consistency,
Okay. Consistent.
staying motivated and playing the long game.
The long game, yeah.
They get it.
What do you mean?
Building a YouTube channel, it's a marathon.
It's not a sprint.
No quick wins here,
It's so easy to get discouraged when you're starting out.
especially if you're not seeing results.
Exactly.
Oh,
But this creator,
Mm.
they focus on celebrating those small wins.
the little victories.
You know, no matter how small.
Every step forward counts.
And they're always learning.
Learning, yeah.
They're like sponges.
Always trying to improve.
Yeah, new formats.
Engaging the audience better.
They're open to feedback.
It's all about growth.
They even talk about taking breaks.
Breaks. Why?
Burnout is real.
It is. You can't pour from an empty cup.
But they know success needs balance.
Work-life balance.
You can't just hustle all the time.
You got to recharge those batteries.
Their mindset shows you.
Mm.
YouTube success isn't just about skills.
It's more than just the tactics.
It's about attitude,
Yeah.
staying positive.
And true to your vision.
It's that fire in your belly
Yeah, that keeps you going.
when things get tough.
And that applies to anything, really.
It does. Starting a business,
Learning something new.
just achieving a goal.
You need that resilience.
That
Just
determination.
make it happen.
It's inspiring, right?
It is, to see how they did it.
They use strategies, creativity.
And that unstoppable mindset.
They prove success isn't about luck.
There's some secret formula.
It's hard work
Making smart choices.
and loving what you do.
And you can tell they love it.
Yeah, That passion shines through.
It's contagious.
It makes their videos so relatable.
Makes you want to keep watching.
We've covered a lot today.
We have.
From finding idea
The algorithm.
to building that community.
It's been a journey.
But if there's one thing to remember,
What's that?
it's this. Don't be afraid to experiment.
Experiment, yes.
Try new things.
YouTube's all about exploration.
What works for one person?
It might not work for another.
It's about finding your own way.
Your own voice.
You got this creator's playbook,
A blueprint for success.
but you got to make it your own.
Adapt it to your style.
Mind your own vision.
There's no one size fits all.
YouTube's a creative playground.
Play around, have fun.
Make mistakes. Learn from them.
Don't be afraid to fail.
Every stumble is a lesson.
A chance to grow.
Building a channel takes time,
It does.
effort, persistence.
You got to keep at it.
Don't get discouraged.
Celebrate the small wins.
Keep that passion alive.
And remember,
Yeah,
it all starts with an idea.
that's it.
What's your idea?
What's that spark inside you?
Don't let it fade.
The world needs your voice.
Your perspective, your creativity.
Well, that's it for our deep dive.
Into YouTube success.
Hope you got some good insights.
Feel inspired.
Ready to start your own adventure.
YouTube's waiting for you.
Until next time, keep learning
Keep creating.
and keep pushing those boundaries.
See you next time.